Communities across the region bracing for what's to come tonight, including in North Idaho. KREM 2's Cody Proctor joins us from Hayden tonight with more.
This storm is one that first responders are keeping an eye on, and that's certainly the case at Kootenai County Emergency Management. When I spoke to the director, she said it's not often that you hear the word extreme from the National Weather Service.
When we got notification that it has the potential to be an extreme storm, that made our ears perk up a little bit.
North Idaho's no stranger to wind, but this storm has the potential to be a historic one. That's especially the case, says Kootenai County Emergency Management Director Tiffany Westbrook, because of how wet and saturated the ground's been.
Typically, we might have some frozen ground this time of year, but when you put high winds on top of extremely saturated soils, it can be cause for concern.
That combo of high winds and wet soil brings the potential for widespread problems, including power outages, downed trees, and falling debris. It's a situation Westbrook and the county's been in before.
The 2021 storm resulted in a federal declaration.
That storm she's talking about is the January 2021 windstorm, which slammed the inland Northwest. 2 people died from falling trees during that storm, including a Post Falls man driving near Coeur d'Alene.
We had prolonged power outages and a lot of debris from the downed trees, impacting our solid waste department with excessive waste to get rid of things of that nature.
With similar conditions to the 2021 storm expected, Westbrook says they've been making preparations for it, including working with their partners and first responders to be ready in case the worst happens.
The difficulty with windstorms is that a lot of times we're not able to see the impacts until the storm has passed.
Some quick advice from Kootenai County Emergency Management as the winds pick up. Keep an eye on the forecast. They also say to stay inside if you're able to, preferably on the lowest level of your home away from windows. Also, in the case of prolonged power outages like what we saw back in 2021, they recommend having emergency supplies. Also, don't drive if you don't have to, and don't call 911 if you have a power outage. Save that number for emergencies. In Kootenai County, Cody Proctor, KREM 2 News.